Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Canisteo Z-Wave Hub 800 series. This Z-Wave Hub promises to be a game-changer for DIY smart home enthusiasts, offering long-range connectivity and the latest S2 security protocol. The Canisteo Z-Wave Hub 800 series is a static USB controller designed for building your own smart hub. It acts as a Z-Wave radio for your DIY smart home system, providing a secure and private Z-Wave Plus mesh network. It's compatible with PC, laptop, or Raspberry Pi, making it versatile and easy to set up. One of the standout features of this Z-Wave Hub is its impressive long-range connectivity. It boasts a range of up to a mile in open space, making it ideal for larger homes or outdoor applications. This extended range ensures that your Z-Wave devices can communicate reliably throughout your home. The Canisteo Z-Wave Hub is designed to work seamlessly with other Z-Wave certified devices from different manufacturers. All non-battery operated nodes within the network act as repeaters, enhancing the overall reliability of your smart home network. This means fewer connectivity issues and a more stable experience for your smart devices. Security is paramount in the world of smart homes, and the Canisteo Z-Wave Hub takes it seriously. It features the latest Security 2 framework, minimizing the risk of smart home network hacking. Each device is equipped with a unique authentication code for trusted wireless communication, ensuring your data remains private. While this Z-Wave Hub offers advanced features, it's essential to note that it's not suitable for beginners. Potential users should have programming skills and a solid understanding of Z-Wave technology. Compatibility includes Windows, Linux, and Mac OS systems, with different setup methods outlined for each. The Canisteo Z-Wave Hub 800 series is a powerful tool for DIY smart home enthusiasts looking for long-range, secure, and reliable connectivity. Its advanced features make it a standout choice, but it's best suited for those with expertise in programming and Z-Wave technology. If you're up for the challenge and value privacy and reliability in your smart home setup, this product could be a game-changer for you. That wraps up our review of the Canisteo Z-Wave Hub 800 series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.